Here we have a 2014 Jeep Compass 2.4 liter. Was brought in today because of a faint clicking noise, and I wanted to show you guys the problem. I already fixed it, but so we have this fuel rail. It was in acceleration. It almost was like a valve tap, but what it was this rail right here had become loose, and I mean, I really had to crank these bolts down to like it felt scary as a mechanic how hard I had to torque these down, but it took away the noise and all is good there. So I just wanted to let fellow YouTubers know, if you got a clicking noise when you're accelerating, like it just seems like all the bolts on this car just come loose. I don't know. Once again, it's a 2014 Jeep Compass, and stay tuned to my channel for more videos like this.